Cool. Set up then. Can you guys hear me all right? My mic is good. I had to change a bunch of settings on my stuff yesterday trying to get rid of that echo, and I think I got it. So let me know what you guys. That's good or bad. Sounds good. All right, awesome. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Alrighty. Set up, score, get the charts. Yeah. So we got that roll down. I was kind of expected at this nice, double top here. Gave that roll down overnight, and then we came back. So we're just ranging, it looks like. Yeah, same kind of situation to put us at where we are now. 17,835. Yesterday's high was 17,32. Is that it? I'm gonna mark off yesterday's high and low. Always good areas to have charted. So the high is 17,949. The low is 17,791. Excuse me. Oh, I'm just gonna open back up in that range. I would expect, so we got FOMC tomorrow. You would expect things to kind of just be weird and clunky in anticipation of FOMC. So we're going to trade pretty defensively today. I'm going to play defense, which is something I don't do often. But with all the news coming out, we want to be smart. Let's see where VIX is at. VIX is sitting at 1502. All right. Any questions? Anything you guys got going on? That's kind of what I got for the day. Short and sweet. I put a new video up in the coaching on kind of the algo updates. Very short, very quick, to the point, just an overview of what's going on, what's new, and just some general stuff. So if you guys watch that, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I have no problem answering some questions. As long as you don't directly ask me what the formulas are for how things work, I'm pretty cool about giving away little hints. Top trade. What's up? What's up, Ed? Nate, good morning. Ronnie. Any of you guys want to come up to the top? I know Ronnie does. You guys feel free if you ever want to pop up here and join the discourse.
Good morning, guys.
What's up, Ronnie?
What's going on?
Oh, another beautiful day.
Yes, sir.
Should be a weird day. Could be probably gonna stay range bound if I would guess.
I didn't know that news was gonna move it that much, man.
Yeah,
What
what
if he
was
did?
that? What was that news?
I don't know. I wasn't expecting it.
Yeah.
8:30. Employment cost index. I mean, it's only 2 stars. Chicago PMI in 15 minutes at 9:45. But geez, man, look at that. Nice little. What was that? 73. Almost 100 points.
Probably. Wouldn't be surprised.
Yeah, because you gotta think if we hear her talking, she hears Brian talking, just yelling
Yeah, dude.
"Bing bong" or "You'll never get this." Like,
It's true. Very true.
it's so funny.
That is fucking funny. Very true. Be right back. So, not super clean looking chart, but we stuffed that blue dot down. We got a blue dot that just printed it'll be 58 entry. I'm not going to take it, but there is a little short trap technically. I just don't like it though. That short didn't rotate very well previously, so it's kind of been clunky. Damn, this thing's not a fucking quest.
Yes, sir.
Oh, news in 30 seconds, too, if you're feeling like a psychopath. Bing bong. So we're really fucking close to 100% here. Pre-market high. We're in Boston. Is there news? Like, what the fuck is going on here?
Yeah.
News dropping in 10 seconds. Oh, really? What's the pre-market high? 96? 886, 89, I think. Or no, actually, you're right. I'm sorry. Pre-market high 3:50 a.m. 896 and a half ish. Yeah, you're right. I was looking at something else. Okay, so yeah, all right, let me redo this. News just dropped. Doesn't look like it's super high impact. What was it? What news? Do you know? Well, Chicago PMI is a yellow folder, not red, so it's like medium. Yeah. Once it's red, I don't fucking worry about it. So we're 78% retraced pre-market high. Interesting. We did just get a orange dot star down on the footprint. Yeah, we did. And she was 75. You already got 10 if you took it. Yeah, I missed it. I missed the 75 entry. I don't know if I like it. 75. I want to see shorts come back to the bottom channel first before I start taking them again. I think I'm going to wait till 10. I got to be patient here. Yeah. I can't take it. I think it's a good short, but I just can't do it. Good job. Oh, no, I didn't take it. I was just calling it. I thought you took it. No, I didn't. I didn't react fast enough. And the new Renko showed a blue dot down with a purple. Damn, top trade did though. A fucking legend. That's 10 points from 75 or 77.
Dude, top trade's good. He's good. He's good.
Yeah, he's killing it.
He's super valid.
Dude, did you guys know that you guys know that kid TJR, that young trader that owns that funding company, One of One? No. Anyways, this kid makes like a fuckload of money, like stupid money, like millions a month. He's talking about capital gains tax and how Canada is really bad, New York is really bad, California is bad, and he lives in Puerto Rico. And Puerto Rico has 0% capital gains tax. So if he makes a mil off trading in a year, he keeps a mil. Isn't that fucking crazy?
Yep. Awesome.
Dude, that's like action nuts. I can't even imagine.
There's some things that you have to do on Nix. You can't just move to Puerto Rico and apply for that.
Well, what's the process?
You have to buy a place. You have to been out of the Puerto Rico for the last 10 years. You have
what was that second rule? I don't understand what you're saying.
Like if you lived in Puerto Rico for the past 5 years, you don't qualify. You have to be out of Puerto Rico for the last
like you have to be a new resident?
Not a new resident.
Talking.
You can just be out of Puerto Rico. Like if I lived there, let's say 2000 and whatever, 2011,
Mm-hmm.
And then I moved out to Miami, New York, and then now I'm coming back. I qualify for that because I've been out of Puerto Rico. I haven't lived in Puerto Rico for the past 10 years. You have to buy a place, and you have to make a donation to charity, whatever they tell you to make a donation every year, though.
Yeah, a lot of those places you just have to spend like $500,000 in real estate or something like that, and you get the dual citizenship, and that helps you out with a lot of that stuff.
Yeah. That's interesting. I didn't know it was so complex. Good to know.
That's the problem that a lot of crypto people went there. So, if you had a place in, I don't know, Old San Juan.
It was a perfect short from where my original 100% retrace was. Like, remember where I was like, oh, like retraced 100%? And you're like, no, it's higher. It rejected exactly 100% where that other spot was. It's pretty interesting. From like the, where is it?
Yeah, I got you. 87.
Yeah, 887. Kind of interesting.
Top trade caught 20 on that. Good work.
Yeah, it was a nice trade.
Yeah, that was good.
Profit timing.
I rejected
If there was
really
an
nice
algo on
off
the
that
24.
pink's blue square on the 40. Oh, Neeks, go ahead and update to the new joint.
All right, hold on.
Well, I could have taken shorts earlier, but I was too busy looking at something else. So.
Charles, good morning.
What up, man?
Matt, remind me again the setting so that I can drag my Sierra chart into the middle of my screen. It's like fill. Fuck, what is it?
Oh. It's hold on.
Oh, lock fill space. There we go.
Yeah,
I got it.
yeah.
Cool. Like, what the fuck?
Top trade, I like that logic. A handful of proper trades.
That short was a good short. Really good short.
We'll look at 17,825 trap for a long.
Yeah, 25 is good. All right, I'm on the new tech.
It's that new.
Yes, sir.
Hey man, how long have you been trading for?
Futures, like 2 years. Options before that, like 3 years. And overall, like 7 or 8 years.
How old are you? How old are you now?
26.
Oh, that's what's up. Thought you was like 22.
Bro,
So,
what?
I don't know.
26.
You thought me and Matt were the same age? That's fucking
I
awesome.
mean, you never know. There'd be some people that are 18 and have like making bank. So
Yeah, getting into it young definitely helps. And then thinking about it like as a video game. Like I grew up playing video games, and this is just like basically another video game with more fun
yeah.
prizes.
And I think my little brother would be really good at this because he
Best
plays a lot of
prize.
video games.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I've learned there's a very steep learning curve. I play a lot of video games too, and I started, and it was not. It was. You have to learn how to gamify it. You know, just hop in and start just fucking getting rich.
Oh, dude, I blew 40 G's playing options when I first started.
No,
Gone.
no, I was talking to Charles.
Option? I don't like options.
Is it
Yeah,
hedging
options
versus
are.
trapping down?
Yeah, it's not super clean looking, but it is. Entry was on the footprint at 54. You know, take that long off the footprint. No, Ronnie, I don't think so.
What do you say?
He said, didn't he? Oh, wait. Oh, no. Oops, there's top trade. He asked if anyone took the long off the footprint.
Top trade's locked in on the footprint.
Looks like it.
That's on Sierra too. Damn, I need to pull that
Oh,
up.
yeah.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
Top trade, what settings do you use for that? Is there anything specific I need to do?
You gotta set up like number bars and shit. And it's not as clean as like Ninja Trader or whatever these guys are like Ronnie uses.
Top trade said he transferred Ronnie's footprint from Ninja into Sierra.
Like clean, like export import.
Yeah, Top. Does it
To the tick.
look like Ninja? Because like the best part about Ninja is like it kind of aggregated it into like the tick levels to like make things more significant. It's like, oh, sick. Okay, Top. Oh, Top. That's all. The screenshots you're sending are off of Sierra. Jesus, I just assumed those were Ninja Trader. Oh wow, nice work, bro.
Ronnie's like, where was the entry? he's like,
Yeah, nice work, Top. I couldn't figure it out.
Oh, that's yo, export that chart for me, homie.
No,
I
I want
want
a
that.
copy too.
Yeah, can I get a copy of that?
Please.
you guys are unreal.
Gimme,
Steal your hard
gimme.
work, please.
Dude, for real.
He said, "Gimme."
Trading is nothing more than a bunch of grown men with money fetishes.
I was gonna say a gambling addiction, honestly.
Well, it doesn't matter what way you frame it. Gamblers are trying to get rich too.
That's a good point.
I put a 50 EMA on my 24 tick. It's pretty interesting how it reacts to that level.
Let me open your stream.
It's kind of cool. I don't know if I'm gonna stick with that or if I'm gonna change it around a little bit, but
Oh yeah, I see.
kind of fun.
All right, this is fucking boring.
Yeah,
Officially bored.
I'm praying that it's just like people in anticipation of the Fed. I hope this isn't like a sign of what's to come in the summertime. It's gonna fucking suck if like this is what we have from like May to like September.
Don't say that, Tasia. I'll put that in the air, man.
Yeah, I would cry.
So FOMC tomorrow, NFP
Definitely no trade
Friday.
day.
Yeah, Tasia, I'm gonna go with anticipation of FOMC. We've seen this action
Yeah.
before. We were
Yeah,
talking
that's
about
my
it
hope.
earlier.
With like
Yeah.
earnings as well, like it's just compounded to be just a one shit show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of reminds me of like the OPEX week where we had an FOMC as well, if you remember, like I think in January or March.
It's also
Matt.
the last day of the month.
That's true.
Ooh, good point. Good point. Yeah, big the monthly expiry.
Matt, remind me the setting in Sierra to reduce the size of the point of controls on the candlesticks on a new chart. Do you remember what it's called? Make them not so thick.
You got to go into the studies and then find the point of control, click settings, and then subgraphs, I think.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'll try and find it. God, there's so much shit in here.
10 a.m. news was bullish.
Dude, I gotta know how much of this shit is actually necessary for us to make money. There's just so much nonsense in here. Buying bar, selling bar, selling bar, buying bar, red bar, green bar, red speed bar. Like, oh my fucking god. This is retarded.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Like, genuinely, like, how much of this shit do we actually need? But, whatever.
I mean, you can just match what's hidden and what's not hidden.
I'll be happy if I don't take a trade today.
Target filled. Target filled.
Who the fuck is trading? What was that?
Sorry guys.
Asia.
My shitty luck.
Dude, that was hilarious.
There's a
Target
short at 77 750-ish. You could take it.
What's up, boys?
So,
Wow, those shorts would have. I was way too quick.
Yeah, I got one.
just missed it.
Did you get in that, Neeks?
Mm-hmm. So my 24 entry was 82, not 77.
I got in at
But it
83.
doesn't matter. I just got fucking paid.
Oh my god.
Bing bong.
Bing bong.
Bing
Oh
bong.
my.
See, good work, guys.
Killing it.
Very, very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, that was good. That was good. Good job. It's what, 20 points?
You're if you did 77 at Matt's entry, you got you got 20.
I grabbed that 83. So
Oh, nice. You got
I got
some
like,
good monies.
yeah, decent.
Good work. Nice call, Matt. I was messing with my settings. I wasn't even
Well,
looking at my chart.
Hey Matt, the blue dot red star showed up and I immediately took the trade.
So do you just sold it at market? You just grabbed it?
I sold ask, but like
Okay,
immediately
you
got
got the
filled.
ask.
Like immediately got filled. Like as soon as
Gotcha.
I saw on the new chart, as soon as I saw the blue dot show, I hit sell ask, and then the red dot showed, and I just like moved my stop up and was like, I'm holding on here. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, it's
touch it.
definitely strong.
It worked, but we got a big double top, so I kind of wish I held longer. I wish I didn't sell or close out or flatten at the 20, but that's okay.
It's the
All about
peak
base hits, man.
661 or 861.
What's this pink dot showing? Pink dot red star. Are we going down? Are we going up? Thanks, Matt, for the confirmation on that.
Not a problem. I didn't even fucking take it.
What do you think about this right here? What do you think about this right here, Matt? Forming. What do you think this is going to turn into? Oh, this is blue dot up. Pink dot
Yeah,
up.
okay, you see where it caught? Like I just said, that 861, it's the POC of that last pink dot up on my chart, and that's where we just caught.
Okay.
So that guy's defending that level conceptually, right?
Interesting. Okay. Come on, you fucking pig.
It's definitely defending.
Come on, you fucker. Go up. Go to your home. Don't come down. Come on. Good bitch.
To your home.
I'm gonna start saying that now, dude. That's funny. Go to your home. I just watched that movie. That's funny.
Come on, dude. Go up, bro.
Top trade, he's anticipating the move. That's what Ronnie's doing. So he's using the footprint in the setups to anticipate the move to get it early with a small stop. It's pretty sweet. It's actually super fucking sweet. He's been killing it with his entries. There was a trade I took yesterday, and Ronnie was he was scaling for 20 points, and I had just entered, and I was like, dude, how? And I still got like 20 points on it. I was like, how the fuck did you get in there? But I'm pretty sure, Ronnie, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what you're doing.
Is he not on stage? He can talk.
I think he's
Not
muted.
muted. No, he's unmuted. Oh, he muted himself?
Yeah, he said he's on the phone.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, that's what I thought he was doing. That makes sense. That's pretty cool. But it allows you to get super good entries for I mean, 8 points is no risk. But he's just anticipating the move and then entering before that closes.
I missed those 2 shorts earlier.
There's always more trades, Charles. Market's gonna be open for a very long time.
Yeah, I'm trying not to like chase the market. Keep a straight line.
Yeah, I haven't taken anything today.
Really? I thought you would have taken those shorts.
No, I missed it. I was going to put it
Tar-
in and it went.
Target filled.
Yeah, same thing. I haven't taken anything besides a shitty little bot. It's just the pace and hasn't really been anything compelling.
Is that for like Ninja Trader, or is that?
Yeah, it's an ordered flow bot that trades stacked imbalances. It's a scalp, like a real scalp kind of tool. If it works, I'll talk about it. I'll fill you guys in on it, but I'm just testing it myself.
Matt, you're like screaming at Top Trade and Futures Chat. I thought you were Simon for a second. Just all caps. Because he does that shit. He doesn't even know his caps lock button's on. It's crazy.
I like that handful of proper trades.
Yeah, that's all it takes.
All you need is fucking one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
literally.
Yeah, that's why I told Nick yesterday.
No. Is it worth reading Top Trade? Have you guys read the book One Good Trade?
No.
No. Currently still reading The Mental Game.
What's
That's
reading?
good. That's a good book.
Yeah, I told Nick's the mental side. He thought I got the wrong book. I thought the title was Mental Side, not The Mental Game.
Yeah, that one and Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas are good.
Yeah, that one I'm gonna read too. Someone suggested that to me, but I want to try to finish these 2 books first.
I liked The Mental Game of Trading more. Thought it was more applicable.
Yeah. Mark Douglas's book is just pretty dated.
Yeah.
He's an older guy. He's been trading for a long time.
Yeah. This might be an entry for longs.
It's a trap. It
Looks like shit.
Yeah, 66.
Looks like VIX is about to go up, it looks like. I see a Head and Shoulders, but let's see.
All right, I am Audi 5,000. We'll catch you gentlemen tomorrow morning.
See him. Oh, you're trading tomorrow?
Actually, yeah, I'll trade tomorrow. I mean, FOMC is until 11, so.
I think I'm gonna take the day out tomorrow.
Yeah, I mean, if you're thinking that it's going to be tough, then don't do it. But nothing I've not done before.
Oh, for sure.
All right. Peace out, boys.
See you, man.
Take care.
You too.
Head and Shoulders playing out right now.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Something.
Nothing for me right now is triggering along, in my eyes, anyways.
Yeah, me either.
Look at that double bottom on the 24.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe.
So if I heard people talk about it, if VIX goes up, then NQ goes down, or if it like
Yeah, basically.
because I heard people talk about it before, just wasn't like 100% sure like what's it connected to.
So,
What's going on, guys?
Yo,
Yo.
You guys took that short?
nah.
10:02. Oh, that's another one right there. 10:02. You guys didn't. Nobody took that short.
a bunch of people did.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, oof, that thing went from 80, where would it close to 650 something. Oh, that was another entry. Shit. God damn it. Missed it. Missed it. I would have entered like around 79. Yep. Stop at 81, 82.
Dude, the 5-minute chart looks crazy. These wicks.
Matt, so what normally what you will do is when you enter up there and the candle closes in traps, you can enter on the trap too. So if it comes back and stops you out, you break even. But if it goes your direction, you get in, you have a 10 to 12 point start, you know?
Yeah, no, I'm tracking. I texted you the other day. I DM'd you and I was asking you how you get the entries, and then you said footprint. So I was thinking, I was like, okay, what's he doing? And then that's what I came up with. I said, oh, he's just anticipating the move and then having a tight stop, matching it with the
The,
setups. So, I mean, it makes sense. It's pretty fucking sweet.
the,
It's valid.
what I'm doing is that, like, if I anticipate, based on, my footprint to the left, based on that, right? I enter the trade. So I have a 6 point stop if it goes against me, right? If it starts me out and it prints another candle to the upside, but then it traps, I can re-enter on the trap and just, try to get whatever I lost and then some. You know what I
Yep.
mean?
Hmm.
But if it goes my direction and it traps, I can add, enter like you would enter or anybody would enter, when the bar closes, and then ride it for 15 points. But I'm like 12 points already. I have a 12-point start.
Yeah. I do. I do. I do. I like it.
That's why when I finish with the algo, I'm gonna show you a picture. I'm gonna show you why I set it up like that. But I need to have specific things to print, in order for me to hit the sell or the buy button.
And it'll signal those for you.
Yeah, it'll print.
That's
It'll
sweet.
print. Yeah,
When is that going to be done?
print. I mean, I think it's done. I'm testing it right now. Almost it's almost 100%. I took that trade yesterday against my own will because I had already taken 2 trades and it was profit. I was like, but if I want to test it, I have to take every single setup, in order to have a more precise profitability and odds. Like right now, I would have to enter like around 80, 79 on this kind of whatever head and shoulder, and it would have gotten me 65, 15 points easy. And then my stop is at 82. So 79 to 82, it's fucking 3 point stop for 15, 20 points. Any day,
Yeah,
bro.
that's insane.
Any day.
Sorry, Ronnie, I was on another call, but like, did you say you're testing like a new tool? Sorry, I missed like
No,
the early bit.
no. I just the thing is that sometimes it happens too fast, and I'm not as quick as you guys in putting it together in my brain. I know what it has to happen, but when it happens so fast, if I don't have a signal saying that it's happening, I miss it. So what I did is I not recreated because I don't have the signals that the Simon has, but the Renko helps a lot. The Renko chart, it's all blank. It doesn't have anything. I just added what I want to see when certain things are happening with my footprint and the price action.
Okay.
That's all.
That's on
I mean, I
Nina.
didn't add anything else. It's just no. It's on Sierra.
Oh, it's on Sierra.
It's
All
on
right.
it's on Sierra. Yeah, it's on Sierra. It's just sometimes it happens so fast. Like when I saw it, I saw it happening. I didn't even do anything. I just click sell ask. Dude, I got 93 filled. That price went up to 95.25. I was 2 points of drawdown, you know. When you guys enter like around 70 something, I was already 15 points in profit. So it helps. It definitely helps a lot, you know, for slow guys like me. Look, 10, 20 points right there. Boom. On the entry 79 or whatever. Nice short, top trade. Nice short. I missed it. I missed it. I know you do. Well, you made it.
Yeah, I'm trying to short 65.
Yeah.
I'm in a short.
Yeah. What was your entry, top trade? Did you enter when it touched up the park from the left? Hmm.
Oh,
And to the bottom of the candle, huh? What did I say? 759. Yeah, that's 20 points and not just 2 candles for sure. All right, it is what it is.
The Head and Shoulders long entry potential. Kind of in the middle of the channels though. Actually, it is in the middle of the channel. Hey, Ronnie, will you send that to me sometime today or tomorrow or something?
What do you need?
Whatever
Footprint.
whatever you've created. Let me see it.
Yes, sir. Let me see, Brian. Let me see if I can find it right now before I get busy. Let me send you the.
And then Matt, I'll send it to you.
But you want no? Hold on. Do you want what do you, Brian? You want the footprint, right, from Ninja?
Yeah. The footprint.
Okay.
Footprint.
No, he's asking
Thank you.
for something else. Hold on.
I want
Brian.
both. I want
Oh,
both
you want?
tools. I want both.
God damn, it's greedy bastards, people
I
here.
know.
Ronnie, remember you
I
can
want
save
all the
Want
yourself
it
the
all.
sauce.
time.
Want all of
Remember you
it.
can, remember you can save yourself the time and just export the workspace.
I want all the sauce.
Template.
Hey Matt, can you move the market for me?
Yeah, I wish.
Could everyone just like sell, get us down a little bit, and then we can buy?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me load 1,000 fucking contracts.
Listen, we all have to do it together.
How many would you have to put in to actually move the market?
I feel like right now you could probably set like just like a market order for like 500-600 contracts could easily do it.
I can't say, bro.
Or 600 contracts.
Traded footprint.
Dude, I can't wait to be trading that kind of size.
I don't know, man. That kind of size sounds like really annoying, actually. Like just the issues with like getting into positions.
Dude,
Which, like, I mean, I'm aware of
fuck
like
that.
how
If you
these
got it
sound.
like that, dude, that sounds awesome.
Yeah, I'm aware of like the implications here. But no, I feel like that could be kind of tricky, especially like I do some like I do microcap degeneracy shit. Like, there's no way I could do that with like a lot of money.
Dude, 20 fucking points on 500 contracts.
But like, could you even get
you can't
filled with
enter and
that?
exit that fast. That's a problem. You think
Yeah,
you can, but you won't.
like your slippage would be pretty bad unless you were using like the interest rate futures or like maybe ES. You could do that.
And still, to get out is just gonna be a pain in the ass.
Yeah, NQ would blow with that many contracts.
Dude, 20, 30 contract, I think that's more than enough. 20 contract, 20 points. Once, twice a week. You're done. You're set. The fuck is
I'm
this
out.
shit?
Dang, the average size of bots that traded during the flash crash in 2010 was 1? Really?
They must have just been like, it must have been like an order like every microsecond then to do it.
Got
'Cause, like
out
I
for
guess like from the market's
22.
perspective, what's the difference between like one sell order of 100 or like 101 cells like in a microsecond?
Let me see how I can Discord. And then Brian.
There's a long at 80,
Yeah, I'm looking at that too.
54, 50.
Yeah, same. That's a great entry.
Got out that short for 22.
Hey Matt, why are you placing your stop limits, like your buy limits, like a whole point above?
So I have been doing it because it's been saving me on some stuff.
Okay.
So I like to see it confirm, and then I'll add on the pullbacks.
No.
Okay.
That's why I kept on getting tagged, having them like right at the close, and then it would just immediately go against me. That was pissing me off. So I started to put it a little bit higher, and like usually the trades give good
No,
extension
fuck.
regardless.
Yeah, like if that 1 point impacts your NQ trade, like it's probably not the market to be trading. So like I get your point on that.
Yeah.
Just like the one thing I found is that like if you put it a quarter point above the predicted close, you'll pretty much never get like that false tag without the bar actually printing.
Yeah.
So it's like a quarter point is enough. Like for whatever reason, the Renko bar doesn't print officially until like, for example, this one hits 48.50. Like it won't print till then.
Yeah, so I have this as 48.75.
Yeah, you can tighten it up a little, but you're not like, I mean, you're not costing yourself like a ton here.
Fucking paper handed this. God damn it.
Jesus.
I got
What kind of-
22, but fuck. Listen.
Look at this old roll.
What the fuck is this shit?
QQQ call.
Try it 36.75.
That's a good trade too. That motherfucker missing all this shit.
You gotta start boot out up. No, 24.
Yo, did you guys see the news about what that private equity firm Apollo was doing?
Uh-uh.
So they have for about a couple years now, they have been internally modeling the life expectancy and predicted deaths of like random American seniors, and then have been buying life insurance policies on the ones that they have high confidence that they can predict when they're going to die.
It's awesome.
Yeah, it's so fucking unhinged. Like I kind of respect it, but it's apparently illegal. So like now they're being sued because like when they were like trying to hide it through like a network of like LLCs and like offshore partnerships. So like there's a big lawsuit about it. But I read that and I was like, Jesus fucking Christ.
Bro, Matt, I was trying to sell one mini and accidentally put 21. Oh my god! It said order rejected, and I was like, huh? I looked at my numbers. I was like 21.
Did you cause this little roll down, Charles? Is that you?
Nah, I'm not that. I'm not that big yet. Not yet. I'm in lungs though. I don't know about Matt and you guys.
Man, let's see how it does. Just set
I
the
got in at 28, 25. It was like a tick away from my TV.
QQQ calls.
I like this long. It's just the area Matt is being tested so many times.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. That's the only thing. It created it at 931. It tested it at 936, 937. It went
Yeah,
up from there.
I don't hate it. We'll see though.
But it's a nice trap though.
Not
I
moving
mean, it's
very
in
quickly.
process. It's on process, buddy. So that's all you can do.
Yeah,
Yes,
something like
sir.
this.
Need this
I mean,
push up.
you've got the sign of like the sellers pushing down, like trapping themselves. So in addition to like the trap across the range, you've got like stuck sellers. So that's a good sign.
It's just not moving. That's the only
I would have
problem.
expected them to capitulate faster though. That's the only.
TP1.
Oh, nice. Good for you, bro.
Yeah.
What is your first take profit?
Yeah, what's your scale point actually?
I take 10 points. My order was 28. I have a second mini. It might stop me out.
Oh man.
But I'll be happy with this profit.
Yeah, $200 is $200.
Yeah, I Monday I started with 600, so I even told Neeks I was like, I'm gonna not really rush it. I'll be happy if I don't take a trade today, but
No,
I think
that's like the healthy attitude to it. I mean, it stacks up quicker if you don't. It's like mistake avoidance is honestly more important than like making a profit.
yeah. I saw this video. It was like one of I don't know which law it was, but it was one of the laws, and it said whatever can go wrong will go wrong. So be prepared.
Murphy's Law, yeah. If it can go wrong, it can go wrong.
One of those. Yeah, we actually got a star blue dot up on the 40, so this actually might pump up.
That's it. On the bigger time frame, yeah, that's good. That's a good good look piecing that together.
Well, it's embarrassing. This kid is more it has more discipline than myself for sure. That's a fact.
Roddy, I don't know if you were in the room when like for a brief time Simon was like teaching his daughter how to trade, and I was like, Jesus Christ, like a 17-year-old's better at this than I am.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, if you get good habits, for sure, you know.
Oh yeah.
I've been listening to all these psychology people, Mark Douglas, all those guys, Paul David, he just passed. And they all say the same thing, you know. We all think ourselves as risk takers and probabilities and stuff like that, but when you take a loss, then you get upset and whatever. And then he says, if you take a trade and it goes your direction, doesn't mean you're right. And if you take a trade and it stops you out, doesn't mean you're wrong. So to put that in your brain is really hard, you know.
It's a really cool way to look at it. Honestly, I didn't
Yeah.
never. Yeah.
Yeah. These guys, you know, it says the only ones that make money is when you take a trade and you can stop, you move to the next, stay on your process. He says that a lot of people have an edge. It's just the ability to execute your edge how it's supposed to be, and just be consistent. If for any reason stops you out or whatever, you know.
Oh yeah,
So
because you can have like the best strategy, you can have 100% win rate, but like if your psychology isn't there, then you know you're gonna mess it up somehow, some way.
yeah,
So
that's what I do, bro. I mess it
and
up somehow.
yeah, and the only person that knows you is like yourself. So
If you can keep your edge and be disciplined no matter what, you know, that's and don't get any bad habits. That's a problem.
oh, for sure. Yeah, I don't drink or smoke, so I'm chilling.
Yeah.
Fuck
Like
that.
we're competitive by nature, you know. You always want to win. It's not
Oh
like you
yeah,
take
for
a
sure.
stop and you're like, okay, well it's okay. When you get stopped, you try and revenge and get that money back, and it's a problem.
Uh, Damn, it hit my break even, and I think it's gonna keep on pumping.
Well, that happens a lot, buddy. Trust me.
I mean, I already
Oh
got
my,
TP1, so I'm chilling.
I gotta stop. My fucking ninja is it's different than whatever this is. This shit sucks, man.
Oh yeah, it's gonna gotta keep on going. No.
Gimme, 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 gimme. Gimme, 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 gimme. That shit is mad slow.
Yeah, even my bot like isn't doing anything. So there's just been nothing going on.
Oh, this is terrible. I just got filled though for 15. Cool beans. Oh, I guess I can start pushing my Apex accounts because I'm over that limit. Cool. Not bad. So, Ronnie, did you see at 10:32 there's like 7,400 trades that just went on? Can you see those numbers?
Where, what time?
It's like 10:32-ish.
10:32-ish. Yeah, that's what I mentioned to you where I had a level and then it pushed from there. Let me show you. Uh, 10:30 something you said?
10:32. If you look at your footprint, do you see like
Yeah.
7,448 trades went on?
Yeah. Yeah. 7,489 I have. But yeah, it's basically the same. That's buyers pushing really hard.
Yeah. Okay. Ha. I'm getting locked in. I'm trying to figure out what the fuck you're doing. I think I have a way that I can see it. I just got to now anticipate the move to get the entry earlier.
Well, that depends what happens in the past. That's all.
Yeah.
You know? It all depends what happens in the past. So Yeah, let me show you what you saw. The problem is not the actual volume. You know what I mean? That's not. I mean that helps, but you want to see because it could be a lot of vol and then just not enough sellers to push that thing up. You know? Look. Hold on. Where's my snippet? God damn it.
Looking at the number of trades in the ask volume minus the bid volume.
Yeah, that'll help for sure.
And then I'm looking for number of trades to be relatively higher than the most of the day. So we're, you know, maxing out.
That
Like,
entry was nice. That entry was nice. My entry would have been like 23, 24. And my style would have been like 18.
yeah.
That would have
I
been
would
my
think,
entry.
well, what was your did you get in the longs or no?
No, I didn't take the trade. I did not take
I could
this
have hopped
trade.
back in again, not gonna lie. But it
This is
literally, if I jumped in a point earlier, it would have barely like not even hit it, and then would have got off. Crazy.
look. Yeah, exactly. Look, Matt. Number one, when you have that and you have your blue dot, that's what you have to use it in, in conjunction. Like you have that and you see the 430 at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's some seller was trying to push really hard at the bottom, and then he got fucked. And then the second candle, when it closed above, when it closed it above it, I mean that would have been, an add on for sure.
I see what you're saying. Yeah, because
And,
I see that seller with the stars, right? So I have a red star push down, then a green star up. So I see that getting beat, and then I match that with the number of trades that are being put on that area, and then with the green and the white footprint chart. So I put the number of trades on in the ask volume minus the bid volume, and then I upped my tick size a little bit to get um, to show more, I guess, volume in a single area, and it's a little slower, but it gives you a better picture. And then that's why I
yeah.
put that's why I put that trade on.
Yeah. No, it was a valid trade. But now, when you see that right now happening, you have to see what happened in the past. Like when you play football, if you're a quarterback, you want your your defense line, to be present, and that's what happens on the left. You know what I mean? You want to see like heavy buying, pushing on the left, and then when it comes back, you expect that area to be defended. So you can either speculate a better entry, or you wait for the trap to occur, for happen. So, but yeah, that was a nice trade.
I don't know if I want to take another trade or just be done for the day. Because the market isn't really doing much.
Hey Matt, what made you flatten at what looks like 15 or so on average? Like, was that the lack of pace, like the immediate lift? Like, what were you thinking there?
I'm still trading the Apex rules,
Oh, that's right. So when do
so
you
I'm
what was
just
the protocol for there again? Flat at 15?
yeah, I'm just going 2 contracts, flat 15.
Gotcha.
And I mean, knock on wood, but I haven't lost a trade doing it this way.
You said this yesterday too.
I know, I'm 100% over the last week on my Apex.
Oh, this is pumping.
Makes me think, like, fuck, I'll just get 20 Apexes flat at 15, keep this pace, dude. I'll be killing it.
Yeah, I think I'm 4 for 4 now.
Oh, those QQQ calls just went fucking crazy. Yeah, those QQQ calls killed it. 35% right now. That was a quick 35 too. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, Tasia. I'm just fucking around with this Apex thing, and
No, no, it makes sense. I mean, like I'm doing the degen thing to qualify a few more accounts on FOMC tomorrow. Like I just bought two. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I mean, there's no reason not to.
it's been working out.
Yeah, it's
I'm
And
gonna
then,
dip.
if you're pulling 600-ish a day on Apex and you have a bunch of accounts, like if you have
yeah,
10, I mean, you're doing really well. You're
really
killing it.
it really is like a no-brainer with like the amount of accounts you can do.
Yeah.
It's just like the only piece that like you need to make something like that work is like you need to be very good about like not blowing up on down days or like trend down.
Yeah.
Like you either need to make a lot of money to cover stupidity like that, or you need to not do stupid things like that. It's one or the other is what I found. See, Charles, good looks, man.
Charles. Who else caught that long? I know
I
Ben
did
did.
all the way from like 38 or so.
Nice.
So I just qualified two more accounts.
Yeah, I'm not trading anything funded, but yeah, I'm in my evals.
Very nice. I didn't even take that fucking trade in my cash account. I'm a bum.
Oh, it's cool.
Z-bomb. Oh.
Is anybody short right now?
Sir.
No, you said or yes?
Nope.
Nothing really other than like it's a rejection zone at the IB high. And these like white Rankos on the 0.5. Not really much here.
Um, who would like to do me a little favor? Just a quick little favor. Anybody? Going once? Going twice?
What's going on? What's up?
Could somebody look at the Floh YouTube channel and see if my stream is working?
Yeah, one second.
Dang, Top Trade, you are on fire today, man.
It says you're live.
Does it
Yeah,
look
you
alright?
are.
Does it look good?
God damn, bro.
It's a little. Let me screenshot.
Thank you.
Yeah, Jesus, bro. Nice work.